welcome back to my channel. My name is Harleigh, food blogger, content creator and overeater. Today's a little bit of a vlog and I always feel weird doing that intro on a vlog. I don't think I've ever done that intro on a vlog. But I'm feeling quite like organised about the video that I'm about to make. So I have this cupboard in my kitchen which does my head in, right? So I live at home with my parents and this cupboard has just become like, it has a purpose, but it doesn't have a purpose. We know what's in it, but there's many more things that we don't know what's in it. And it's just like quite a big space with like, it's quite hard to organize. So today I have decided to organize this cupboard in kind of Marie Kondo style. The Marie Kondo method kind of focuses on doing it by category rather than by room or by place. So there's no obviously clothes and stuff like that to organize in this cupboard. But I'm gonna try and apply the principles that I learned and have kept on in my bedroom to this area of the kitchen and maybe one other drawer. So I just went to IKEA to basically, I didn't really know what the solution was gonna be, but IKEA has everything. And also major like inspo from the IKEA Christmas advert, which has won all Christmas adverts ever featuring DWE. Best Christmas advert ever. But I know that when you go around the showroom bit, which you don't always want to do, but when you do and you look in the kitchens, like look in the cupboards and you can see how they've organized like the kitchens. So I did that and I saw like this lots of solutions that I really liked. But this one particular one is these kind of like in cupboard shelves, like that are kind of like little steps. So I bought some of those. I also grabbed some container boxes to replace the container boxes that we have there, but also to put on the shelves to create kind of like an extra space in the cupboard basically. So I need to build the little shelfy things first and then I will kind of organize and see what's in there. Also like major opportunities to clean up this cupboard because everything in there is not going to survive this organization operation. Also naked tree in the background. Maybe this is just like Marie Kondo / come decorate with me vibes vlog today. If I have time to do this and there's still good light, then I will and just stick that all in. But let's just do some like, you know, winter maintenance organization. But yeah, this cupboard. So first thing I'm gonna do is empty everything out and put it on the counter, which is aligned with the KonMari method of just getting all your clothes and all your stuff just in one place, like every single thing. So you can actually go through, see what sparks joy. This is a little bit more practical because number one, not all this stuff is mine. But you know, just see what's in date. Let's start there. Okay, so I've very quickly been able to like turn this into drinks, should I say liquids because there's vinegars, things that we already have in jars, things that are completely unopened, miscellaneous bags of nuts, grains and seeds that are all open. Like there's at least 3 bags of open flaked almonds here. It just makes me want to scream. And then like box things like these nut bars and things like that, protein powders and running gels and things. So I'm gonna, I think, deal with these first, just because once we work out what's in these jars, I can then work out which jars I want to just fill up. These should all be basically the freshest things because my dad does use these right down to the bottom before he refills them. And then these jars get washed out and swap. We have others, so I think I'm pretty safe with anything that's in them, but some of the stuff that's here I'm gonna have to like check the dates and stuff. And yeah, fill up any jars, create new jars, and yeah, then just clean. One of the things I just found was a bag of flaked almonds, but the jar we have is full of toasted flaked almonds. I know my dad just does this himself in the pan, so for the sake of getting the almonds in the jar and out of the packet, I'm toasting his almonds. So I think I've done as much on the organisation that I can actually do without putting stuff in the cupboards and kind of seeing like what stuff can actually fit in more jars based on like basically these little shelf things that I bought. So I'm going to build those now, clean out the bottom of the cupboard, put them in, and then see our first step of our transformation. I'm gonna have to climb to do this section. My tripod is not high enough, so yeah, I'm just gonna clean that section. As you can see, I've just finished that. So yeah, BRB. So, like, come decorate me tomorrow.